Welcome back to Terratin, your go-to channel for all things related to building a successful career abroad. If you're dreaming about working in Germany, this video is for you. Today, we are diving deep into the Germany Opportunity Card, a brand new initiative designed to help skilled professionals like you to start a new chapter in one of Europe's most dynamic economies. So stay tuned as we walk you through the process, break down the points-based system and share tips to maximize your chances of securing the golden opportunity. The Germany Opportunity Card is a game changer for anyone looking to move to Germany for work. It's part of Germany's new immigration reform aimed at attracting skilled workers from around the globe to fill the country's labor gaps. This card operates on a points-based system where your eligibility is determined by factors like your qualifications, work experience, language skills, and more. But why is this card so significant? Well, it allows you to search for a job in Germany while already being there. Think of it as your entry ticket to one of Europe's strongest economies. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how the point system works. The Opportunity Card is all about earning points in several key categories. Let's break these down. Qualifications. If you hold a bachelor's or a master's degree, you can earn between 6 to 10 points. Those with vocational training can score 4 to 6 points. The higher your educational background, the more points you earn. Work experience. Experience matters a lot. If you have got more than 3 years of relevant work experience, you can bag 6 to 8 points. Even with 1 to 3 years of experience, you can earn 4 to 6 points. Language proficiency. Language proficiency is another major factor. If you can speak German at a B1 level or higher, that's 6 to 8 points in your pocket. Even English proficiency will get you 4 to 6 points. The next factor is age. Your age can also give you an advantage. If you're under 30, you can earn 6 to 8 points, while those aged between 30 and 40 can get 4 to 6 points. Ties to Germany. If you have studied or worked in Germany before, or if you have close relatives in the country, that's an additional 4 to 6 points. The next factor is job offer. If you already have a job offer from a German employer, you can score 8 to 10 points. This is one of the highest scoring criteria. Additional criteria. There are also points available if you have skills in shortage occupations or previous international experience. These can add 4 to 6 points to your total. The goal is to accumulate as many points as possible. Generally, you will need around 50 to 70 points out of a possible 100 to 120 to qualify. So every point counts. So how can you maximize your points and improve your chances of getting the opportunity card? Here are some actionable tips. Upgrade your qualifications. Consider further education or certifications that are recognized in Germany. Even if it takes time, it can significantly boost your points. Gain relevant work experience. Try to gain experience in industries that are in demand in Germany. This not only adds points but also increases your employability. Learn German. Language is key. Invest time in learning German. Even a basic level can make a huge difference in your application. Network in Germany. Building connections in Germany can help you secure a job offer, which is a major boost to your points. Attend virtual job fairs, connect with professionals on LinkedIn, and explore German job portals. Leverage existing ties. If you have family or have previously lived in Germany, make sure to highlight this in your application. Every point helps. Now, let's talk about how you can actually apply for the Germany Opportunity Card. This process is straightforward, but attention to detail is crucial. Gather all required documents. You will need your educational certificates, proof of work experience, language proficiency test results, and any documents that show your ties to Germany. Complete the application form. You can apply online through the official German immigration portal. Fill out all sections carefully, ensuring all information is accurate. Submit your application. Once you have completed the form and uploaded your documents, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation and a timeline for when you can expect to hear back. Prepare for your move. If your application is approved, congratulations. you will receive the opportunity card which allows you to enter Germany and start your job search. Begin planning your move, including accommodation and understanding the local culture. Securing the Germany opportunity card could be your ticket to a thriving career in one of Europe's most prosperous countries. It's all about preparation, understanding the system, and making the most of your qualifications and experience. If you would like a free consultation, please fill out the form available in the description and pin comments. Remember, the path to working abroad might seem challenging, but with the right information and determination, you can make your dream a reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Terra10 for more insights on building your global career. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and we will get back to you.